Alrighty guys, so hey guys, this is KMCers whatever. I'm Kiersten and welcome back to another vlog. So today is currently Monday and I did just get done editing the vlog that goes up this week. I did have a doctor's appointment earlier this morning because last week I did have a leg injury. And I've been kind of resting all week and it is not getting any better. So I did go to the doctor to finally figure out what is going on to make it get better. So I did that this morning. I do have to go back to the doctor later this week to recheck it and make sure it's getting better, but it is definitely painful and it's making it very limited on what I could do. Yeah, I do have a package I can open with you guys a little bit later. But yeah, I'm just hanging out and resting because of my leg injury, so. Hey guys, today is currently Wednesday and this morning I did go to my second doctor's appointment for a leg injury that I have. It's more like a wound, if you will, and it got infected and I am fighting this whole infection thing and trying to get the wound to heal. And unfortunately, my doctor really has no idea what it is, so they put me on a second antibiotic to see if we could really figure out exactly what's going on with it. It kind of sucks because Chris has fire school this week, and so that means I have some things I needed to do with some of the girls, and I don't know if I could drive. Chris has had to take me to my doctor's appointment because I can't drive. I can't walk long distances. It's quite painful. So yeah, I don't know how this week's gonna go. I don't know if you're gonna get much of a vlog, and I am so sorry about that, but I am just dealing with my health. Alrighty guys, so since I've been kind of not able to do anything but sit here and watch Vampire Diaries for the last few days, I've decided that I can't really work on my diamond art stuff because I am constantly in pain and I'm moving around so much to try to shift the pain and stuff. So I found these a while ago. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you what we got our friend's daughter for her birthday. She asked for, starting with this journal. It's just a simple lined journal. With that, she wanted some little cute pens, so I bought these little kawaii pens. They're like dogs and cats. What kind of jewelry she got, so I did go with gold. I don't know if she's a silver or gold kind of person, but starting with this bangle set. I saw this and I thought this is cute. Got her another necklace. This one is my absolute favorite. I think it is the cutest one. So we got that, and so now I'm gonna put it all together.
Hail for the Toby.
you like this video, give that a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys did this week. And subscribe if you haven't already to turn on that bell notification so you're notified when we post every single Wednesday and occasionally on Fridays when we feel like it, this games, whatever. I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.